How to create AI glass cutting ASMR video. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website ChatGPT. Now here you can ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt to create AI glass cutting ASMR video. Once you get the prompt, copy it. Now you'll need to navigate to this one website, Veo. Once you're over here, click on the option Try in with Flow. Click on the option Create with Flow. Click on New Project. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you'll need to paste the prompt. Make sure you have select the option Text to Video. In the prompt, mention that include audio as well. And then you can click on this arrow. With that, your video will be generated. You'll need to wait for a few seconds. And you can see the result. This way you can easily create AI glass cutting ASMR video. If you're not satisfied with this video, you can also provide another prompt and create a new video. And that's this guide helped you out. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.